Unexpectedly, the US dollar continues losing value this week. Risk sentiment has become stronger amid a surprisingly positive report on the US retail sales, which proves the confident economic recovery. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out other events that may shape traders' sentiment. On Thursday, the United States will disclose its weekly report on the number of unemployed claims. According to the forecast, the situation should stabilize. In fact, a rise of 200 or 300 claims is the norm that was recorded before the pandemic. That's why the data on continuing claims is likely to provide more accurate information on the current market situation. In the previous period that ended on October 2, the indicator was at the lowest level since March 2020. It's highly likely that during the week that ended on October 9, the number of claims will reflect the labor market recovery. Notably, strong employment is the key condition for monetary policy tightening. That's why investors may resume buying the US dollar. Last Friday, traders learned about the US consumer activity. This Friday, they will be focused on the UK retail sales report. According to the forecast, retail sales may advance by 0.7% in September. Notably, in August, economists had expected a rise of 0.5%, but in fact, the indicator dropped by 0.9%. It was the longest period of fall in the last 25 years. However, the market sentiment remains positive amid the withdrawal of early restrictions in the UK. If retail sales resume climbing, the pound-dollar pair will gain in value. Nevertheless, traders will pay the closest attention to the market report that will disclose preliminary figures on business activity in the world's largest economies. Thus, in the Eurozone, a rise in business activity is likely to slow down. In September, the indicator showed the worst performance in the last 5 months. Such a dynamic may put a downward pressure on the euro. In the United Kingdom, the situation is the same. The PMI is expected to show a smaller rise amid slow production paces caused by the falling demand from other countries. In addition, business activity in the services sector may also slacken. Against this background, the pound-dollar pair may decline. What's more, the US PMI report may also add pessimism to the market sentiment. Their business activity may also show weaker results. In September, the smallest growth was recorded in both manufacturing and services PMI. Entrepreneurs report weak demand, but there are still production capacity restrictions in the United States. And we will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading. See you soon.